Hi guys, welcome to Auto Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get back Reels to profile grid on Instagram. So first of all, we will go into the Instagram app, and here you can see that I'm posting a reel. Okay, so when you are on the last stage, here there will be option also share to feed. So basically, when you turn it on, if you turn this on, your reel will also get posted on your feed. So it's 100% that it will get posted on your reel section, but the reel will also show in your profile grid. Okay, so in this way you can just post on the both the section, and if you just turn it off, you will not able to see your reels on the feed section. Okay, so let me just turn it on and I will show you. So as you guys can see that I have posted that reel, and on the reel section you can see that here that is reel, and on the grid section it is also showing. But how I can remove from the grid section? Okay, so there is an option. You have to click on the three dots which is on top right side corner, and after that you have to click on remove from profile grid. And if I will click on that, it is just take a few seconds, and here you can see that it has got removed from my profile section. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.